name is Harry Kuth, and today is National Corn Dog Day. What is a corn dog?
Some may ask.
It's it's a salty, warm hot dog covered in cornbread stuff. It's really greasy, but very delicious when dipped in ketchup. Oops. I think I spilled.